Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn that how to recover Spotify account without email. So first of all, open your browser, any browser. I am using the Chrome browser, and then click on the search option and then search here for the sport.spotify.com and then search it. After this you will find here this type of the interface. Just scroll down and here you have to just tap on the account help and then scroll down and then click on cannot remember login details. After this a new interface will open for you. Just scroll down and then click on the reset your password and just click on the Spotify Sport, and now you have to just tap on the start messaging, and after this you have to and write here that I forward my account email and then send it, and then tap on the cannot login and then tap on the no. After this you have to just tap on the yes option here and then you have to just click on the no. After doing so you have to just and tap on I don't have access to the email on my account here, and then verify as an owner. If premium, prepare a picture of a recent Spotify charge on your bank statement. Then you have to just click on I have it ready and it will connect you to an advisor. All you have to need, just give your username of your Spotify account along with the bank statement. So that's all for this video. For more information you can visit my website whose link I have shared in my description. So give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.